I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is so it's going to show for you here on your profile. Go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you like list like this. Click here on settings. Then you come to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here, click here on notifications filter, just click on it. You come to this list here, come here to your content is featured, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean your content is featured. Disable with us now, go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.